Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Keypad phone model and firmware, so you pick the right menu path. Once confirmed, open Menu, go to Settings, then Call Settings or Call Recorder and look for active recording options. You should back up any saved files to an SD card or transfer them via USB before turning recording off. That prevents accidental loss. Doing these steps now avoids surprises and prepares you for the next, more specific changes. Next, locate the auto record or record calls toggle inside the call recorder menu. Some phones label it differently, so scan submenus. Once you find it, set the toggle to off or change mode from auto to manual. This stops the phone from saving every call. Make sure to clear any default recording number or folder path so new calls have nowhere to save. Once done, exit Settings and place a test call to confirm the phone no longer creates files automatically. Finally, make test calls and immediately check the storage or recordings list to verify no new files appear. This proves the change worked. If you see recordings, reboot the phone to ensure settings take effect, then check again. If recording persists, reset call settings only or update firmware because corrupted settings or outdated software can force legacy behavior. If problems continue, factory reset only after backing up everything. That resolves stubborn recording locks in most Keypad phones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.